Hello. Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about 10 everyday things that are causing you cancer and you don't even know it. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Have you ever noticed what can cause cancer? Is it related to daily life and routines? Definitely yes. You may be heard in news titles that everything we eat can cause cancer. Today is not nearly as healthy as it used to be. Our great-grandparents and grandparents did not have to deal with trans fats and other artificial products. Their products weren't toxic and synthetic, but today we are using many carcinogenic foods and also carcinogenic components in our foods. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 10 everyday things you are doing that cause cancer for you. So, stay tuned with us, and get informed before it's too late. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. A carcinogen is a type of substance that can cause cancer in the human body. It could be a substance in the air, a product we are using, a thing we are drinking or eating, etc. Having contact with these substances can raise the risk of cancer in us. It doesn't mean that when we have contact with carcinogens, we surely get cancer. Actually, getting cancer depends on many different aspects. The things we are mentioning in this video are 10 of those. Number 10. Processed meat. The World Health Organization considers bacon, lunch meat, and sausages to be carcinogens because they contain compounds known as nitrites or nitrates. The issue is that when you heat these substances, they can form carcinogenic nitrosamines. Research suggests these substances can raise the risk of colorectal and other types of cancer. Digestive acids can also trigger the formation of nitrosamines. Look for nitrite and nitrate-free selections. Number 9. Hot drinks. Studies have suggested that serving beverages at 149 degrees Fahrenheit or higher could elevate the risk of esophageal cancer, a very deadly form of cancer. Researchers believe that the high temperatures may damage tissue, leaving it vulnerable to the development of cancerous lesions. Lots of commercial beverages are served in the 140 plus 160 degree Fahrenheit range, so let your drinks cool before sipping. Tea is an age-old tradition, but many didn't know that hot tea too could cause cancer. It is believed that if you have it while it is extremely hot, you could develop cancer of the esophagus. Number 8. Shift work. Sleep is an active area of cancer research, so the evidence is still emerging. But so far, researchers have discovered those night nurses, and others in professions that require late night or graveyard shifts, seem to be at higher risk for several types of cancer. Experts aren't sure why. It could be the loss of sleep, disrupted body rhythms, exposure to light at night, or a combination of any of these. If you can avoid working at a job that requires odd hours, you'll lower your risk. Number 7. Tobacco. Smoking rates are declining, thankfully, because tobacco use is a major cancer cause. So much so that, according to the American Cancer Society, ACS, life expectancy for smokers is at least 10 years shorter than that of non-smokers. If you have a habit, consider this your reason to finally kick it. Quitting before age 40 reduces the risk of dying from smoking-related disease by about 90%. And here are the many other ways your body will benefit from quitting. Number 6. Pollution. Aside from exhaust, polluted outdoor air contains dust and traces of metals and solvents that can lead to cancer. Experts know this from looking at data from over 1.2 million people across the US. You can't avoid pollution, but you can do your part to avoid contributing to it by walking or biking instead of driving. Follow local public health warnings and stay indoors on days when air quality is bad. Number 5. Being overweight. While we tend to think of heart disease risk or diabetes as the main health reasons to avoid gaining weight, we should include cancer as well. Overweight and obesity are the biggest risk factors after smoking, attributable to about 8% of all cancers in 2014. We don't know all the mechanisms involved, but body weight plays a role in inflammation, changes in hormone levels, and can affect biochemicals in your body like insulin. Number 4. Fruits and vegetables. Yes. Fruits and veggies can also cause cancer, but the problem is not with themselves, the problem is with the production of fruits and veggies. Some studies have shown that workers that are exposed to glyphosate were about twice as likely to get B-cell lymphomas. If you consume non-organic veggies and fruits, you are literally taking cancer home every day. Organic means your food doesn't contain pesticides, chemicals, and obviously will not be genetically modified. Number 3. Burnt or fried meat. Meats are an essential part of our diet. There is no doubt that these foods play an important role in our health, and provide us with many vitamins and minerals, and proteins. The problem here is the time you overcook the meat. This could be a dangerous and higher risk of getting cancer. Burnt meat contains cancer-causing substances and not many people know about this. Studies show that there are some substances in burnt meat that can develop cancers such as breast, colon, skin, and lung. You can prevent this by avoiding charred meat and using meat that has not been burned in the process. Number 2. Sweets. You may think sweets only can lead you to diabetes. That's true, but it's not the only damage that sweets can cause to your body. Sugar can be the fuel for tumors in the body, and help them a lot to grow. After a while, you see that you are in hyperactive sugar consumption. Cancer cells lead to the visceral cycle and continued stimulation of cancer development. We crave more sugar and we help cancer grow by sugar consumption. This is a vicious cycle that never ends. This is the reason why sugar-free diets are suggested to people who deal with cancer. Number 1. Sitting too much. Physical activity and exercise could potentially lower your risk of developing different cancers and other chronic illnesses. Although there is no guarantee, being active could go a long way to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Sedentary behaviors such as sitting or lying down for extended periods can drastically increase your risk of cancer, especially colon and endometrial cancer. According to NIH, physically active people had a nearly 25% lower risk of developing colon cancer than their physically fewer active counterparts. Being physically inactive is also associated with several other conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, and obesity. We all fear the word cancer, and what makes these fears so much more of a reality is that there are everyday items and habits that increase our risk for certain types of cancer. If you notice these habits and try to avoid them, you will decrease the risk of cancer. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.